Hey, shovelheadffej here, and today we are at Born to Ride, the Great American Motorfest. We're in Plant City, Florida, with the lovely wife, and we're coming down here to check out the bikes, check out the hot rods, get some barbecue. There's some jerk chicken back there, and also I understand Jared Weems from Weems Motor Company's here. Going to come out here, show him a little love, a little support. Not that he needs anything from me, but I just feel like it makes me feel just a little bit cooler when I'm around that guy, because he's a really cool guy. Anyway, we're gonna go walk around and enjoy today. Get out of here. Quit. Hit. Stars. shovelheadffej. Hey, it has really been an awesome day. I've seen a lot of great bikes, man. I mean, some of the best, and I think I said this at the last chopper show, some of the best chopper bikes I've seen, but like I have seen a lot of great choppers out here that are just, people just rode in, just, you know, riders, everyday riders, which is really awesome to see. Really reminds me of when I was young riding back in the day, in my prime. Got to see some good friends, got to see some old friends, seen Flipknot, seen Weems, from Jared Weems from Weems Motor Company, Motor Co. If you're not following them, you need to follow them, because if you're following me and you're not following them, they're way better than I am. I'll be honest with you. Met some new people, met some people who knew me, met some people who are subscribers and stuff like that. It's been an awesome time, an awesome day. We're still going to keep going. It's like 2 o'clock. We've been there since, I think, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We're old and we're getting tired. Man, it's hot. It's probably 100 degrees. I don't know. But we're going to get some water, take a little rest, and make probably one more tour. And that'll be that, man. I'll call it a day. Peace. I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.